Hi everyone, thank you guys again for joining me in another video. I know it's been a long time since the last video that I've recorded. In today's video, I am going to be bringing my October sticker haul. So we'll start out with Planner Kate, just because hers is very small. I did take out my receipts before, just so I wouldn't have to try to edit out me removing my receipts. We always get her business card, so PK Love gives you 20% off. And then we have our 5 freebies that she always gives out, or 4. I think it's 4 now. This one, I've been enjoying this. I can't remember which weekly kits that she has, but she does them a little bit smaller. I like them for like appointment labels. Custom fonts, those are always good to have. Budget labels, definitely need those. And then some like side flags here. So those are the freebies. And the only kit that I got from Planner Kate this month is the Halloween one. I got her monthly kit because her Happy Class monthly fits my planner inserts that I do make. This always seems to fit a little bit. I think one side is just a little bit longer, but overall they fit very good in my planner, so I like to grab hers. Just another note here, I did go ahead and open up an Etsy shop, so that link will be linked down below. So right now we have the a year at a glance or yearly overview, we have the monthly, we have the hourly, a week at a glance, and a vertical layout. So I'm hoping to get a horizontal, some budgeting ones, and then I don't remember and the daily. So 3 more before the end of the year. They are all dated for 2026, and for the most part you can either do like a Sunday or a Monday start. I will be working on trying to getting some of those undated for anyone that maybe just wants to test like 2 or 3 months and not commit to a full year. I'll have all that stuff linked down below. But yeah, anyways, let's get back into this video. So I always grab for sheet 1, and I went with this beautiful Halloween one. I thought it was going to be perfect. There's a hand can one that I grabbed, but hers don't really fit my layout, but we'll see. And then I always get sheet 2. I like this because of this sidebar. I don't know. I just feel like it completes my monthly look. And then I just have a bunch of appointment labels, other box labels, icons, and fonts here. So I've been trying to get a lot better at using everything here. And then the last sheet that I grabbed was sheet S3, and so this is just like extra boxes for those extra days that in the month. So like sometimes you could have like a couple, like a day or two before the month starts, or maybe a day or two before the month ends. These can come in there if you want to block that off, just so you only look at your monthly. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't. The next one is Can Plan. Oh my gosh, all her kits are gorgeous. That's her business card. Thank you. This is her website. She is on Etsy. As far as I know, I don't think she is located. She doesn't have a website yet. Definitely check her out. Trying to see. I need to group these together, or maybe they are grouped. I think they are. Yeah. Let's start. So this was the freebie for this month. So cute. I like this. That's definitely, oh, I like those. I wonder if she'll be coming out with those pretty soon. It's been forever since I've seen some of these. These definitely are from back in the day when I first started planning with stickers. These would be like your icons, and then slowly they changed into, they could be colorful, but Planner Kate does like simple ones. So like this trash one. I'm trying to see if there's another. We'll do like this little weight, I guess. But you'll see how like the trash can on this one's completely cut out, and then this one's like a circle with the icon in the middle. That's how they used to do it when almost every kit, that's how they had it. And then slowly this became the vibe. I like both, but I definitely do like this because it uses up less versus like this one was like a whole circle. So, but that's cute. I do like this one. Okay, we'll start with the monthly. Can doesn't have a happy planner size kit. I went ahead and grabbed her Erin Condren 7x9. So what I'm thinking of doing is, what I did with September was cut off a lot on the top, cut all the way to the edge right here, and then just kind of place it there. So, and that worked out pretty good. September got cut off a little bit there, but we'll be fine. So I was debating. I really did like this one, and then I was like, but I really do like this one too. So I don't know. We'll see which one we go with. This is more like fall, and this is definitely more Halloween. This is definitely more me, so we might lean towards that one. But I have been loving her her kits. They've been very beautiful. So the first kit that we have here, so I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit. There we go. Just had to work on that lighting, make sure we got good lighting here because it is kind of midday already. I grabbed for kit 77 her bonus decor sheet. I thought this was super cute, all about Halloween, so definitely had to grab this one. And then this is kit 177. So I always grab the Give Me All. And then I believe I picked the A2 and B2 option because she does have these where you can get individual dates, but I like to grab the strips. I just like that look a lot better for my planner. So this is her date header with some washi. Then we have her new layout, and these are the square full boxes instead of the normal standard full box. I like these better. Like I feel like it just fits a lot better in my planner, so I can add these throughout the week, and just so gorgeous. October 31st, happy Halloween. So this is definitely Halloween kit. Sheet C is her quarter boxes, half boxes, some appointment labels, and flags. So you definitely get a bunch of those for anything that you need to plan for the week. Sheet D is what I like to call like her sampler week based off like Planner Kate. So you get a bunch of icons, scripts. I love this sheet because this is where I create my sidebar. You get a weekend banner. And then sheet E is her washi. This is so cute. And then the only add-on that I've been grabbing is add-on E, and this is the ombre boxes because I like to use those checklists for work to jot down everything that I gotta do for work. All right, next kit that I grabbed here is kit 175, and then I did grab her bonus decor, but I grabbed this in the transparent, and I thought this was super cute. And so like this one, that I think I grabbed it more for like her monthly kit, but we'll see how we use that. All right, and so here is her date headers with the washi. It's so pretty. I just can't wait. And then B2, her square boxes, and then you get more of these quarter boxes here for other things. And then again, sheet C has your half boxes, quarter boxes, appointment labels. Sheet D, her scripts, icons, and then my sidebar options. And then this is her washi for this one. It's so cute. I really do like this. See how it has like the script? That might be what I'm kind of going to lean towards with this one maybe. Then lastly are her ombre boxes. So I love her ombre boxes because they always have like decor behind it, opposed to like Planner Kate, they're just like a solid color. So sometimes I like that decor, sometimes I wish she gave like a solid option. Just kind of depends on what I'm feeling for the moment. And then the last kit that I grabbed here was kit 176. I got the bonus decor kit for this kit as well. I love it. It's definitely Halloween, so love that. And so like I always get the I Want It All sheet option A2 B2. And so this is her washi and date headers. Super cute. Look at those ghosts. And then this is square boxes. Super cute. I was debating if I wanted this one for Halloween, but maybe not. We'll do this one maybe the week before and then do the other one. There's can never be enough Halloween kits for me. Sheet C, so quarter boxes, half boxes, appointment labels. And then her, like I said, her sampler sheet for me. Got her scripts, her icons, and then sidebar, weekend banner. Super cute. I'm loving that ghost. And then her washi. Oh my god, look at this. So cute. And then this little like bows with spiders. I don't know if you can kind of see it. Let my camera focus in. Nope. So cute. Ah, look at this washi down here. Oh my god, I cannot wait. And then her ombre boxes. Look at these. Ah, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay. So that is it. That's my whole haul for Planner Kate and Hand Can Plans. So definitely excited. I cannot wait to start planning October because we have a lot of goodies, and I love October because it's Halloween. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also like this video, subscribe if you haven't. I will see you guys next time. Take care.